So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is find these things. The x-intercept, there is no x-intercept. The y-intercept is 0, 1. And this is going up. So I just draw an exponential going up. That's it for number 1. Number 2, I want the percent and the decimal. Well, there's an imaginary 0.00, so 14.00. 1, 2, 1400%. Same thing. 1, 2, 270%. 2.7 works. 2.7000, whatever. 391, 1, 2, 3.91, 3.91. That works. Or if you want a 0, put a 0. Decimal, there's the number. No decimal. 1, 2, 1,800%. Done. Number 3. Some of you know that this is 75%. If you didn't know that it was 75%, you make it out of 100. Times 25, times 25, 75. Boom, that's what matches 0.75. So I'll do the same thing here. The next one, 4 over 5. Out of 100, times 20, times 20, 80. Boom, 80%, 0.8, or 0.80, or 0.8000, whatever. 0.4, 1, 2, 40%. Out of 100, 4 over 10, divide by 2, 2 over 5. Done. If you just know that, that's great. Some of you know 25 cents is 1/4. If you didn't know 25 cents is 1/4, you put it over 100, and it's 1/4. It matches 0.25. All right, what you're going to do is test congruency. So this is angle, angle, side. So you're going to write AAS, and it is congruent to triangle. So this is a 1, that's a 1E. That's a 2, that's C. So it's going to go 1 to blank. 1 to blank, DF. So I'm looking for this and that. All right, I need the simple and compound equation. So when it's simple, you go 8,000 times 0.06, 6 times 0, 6 times 0, 6 times 0, 6 times 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 480. Y equals 480x plus 8,000. Compound, a little bit easier. Y equals 8,000, 1.06 to the x. So the start is here, here, here. The pattern is here, here, here. The one that's a little bit more difficult is compounded monthly. Monthly means 12. So this will be on the board. And so you'll see monthly is 12. So I do the same thing as I did before, but this time I have to divide the percent. So I take the percent and I divide it by 12. So I literally go. But I can't do 6. I have to go 0.06 divided by 12. So 0.06 divided by 12 equals 0.005. So now I'm going to go y equals 8, 1, 2, 3, just like I did here. But this time it's 1.005. And it's not just to the x, it's to the 12x. Remember, you have notes for this. Okay, let's go to the next one. This time I want you to fill in the table. If it's simple, 0, 400, 0, 400, same. So the start is there. This is going to be times, when it's compound, times 1.05, times 1.05. So I will do that. This will be 400 times 0.05, 0, 0, 20, 1, 2, 1, 2, boom. Plus 20, plus 20. So I think this one's easier. 400 plus 20, 420. plus 20, plus 20. This one, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go 400 times 1.05, 420, times 1.05, 441, times 1.05, 463.05. Let me do to the 4 too, so you can see rounding. Times 1.05, 486.20, the 2 means stay. Okay. This time I want the equation. Look at the pattern. Plus 4 plus 4. This one is divided by 2, which means times 1/2 times 1/2. If you're not sure, do the new over the original by 5 over 10, divide by 5, 1/2. That matches. Equation y equals 4x plus 12. This one, y equals 1,000, 1/2 to the x. Okay? And that is your quiz. You've got that, and the previous 2 pages. Please study.